This is the Makedo Roto-Ring. It allows you to add rotating movements to your cardboard creations. To get started, grab some cardboard, a Roto-Ring, your screwdriver, and a few screws. With the pointy teeth of the Roto-Ring facing down, press it firmly into the cardboard. Now grab your screwdriver and get ready to punch holes. Punch holes into each of the indentations made by the Roto-Ring. Push the tool completely through the holes you've made. Rotate the tool to create a hole big enough to fit the Roto-Ring. Press the Roto-Ring into the hole you've just created. Use a screw to attach the Roto-Ring to the cardboard. And just like that, your creation now has a moving part. The Roto-Ring keeps everything secure while spinning smoothly. With 2 Roto-Rings and a screw plus, we can add a second part and have them rotate independently. Attach the second layer along with the first using your screw plus. 2 layers of motion for twice as many possibilities. Add motion to your builds with the Makedo Roto-Ring. What will you create with Makedo?